In this video, we're going to discuss how to remove a key from a Python dictionary. The biggest thing is you must be aware of throwing an error. So here I created a dictionary with fruit and colors, and I try to delete banana, which is not in the dictionary, and it's going to throw a key error. Now you could do a try except block, but an easier way of doing it, and I'm all about easy on this channel, is to pop. Use the dictionary pop and provide a none here. Now, so here I'm going to do fruits pop banana with none, and sure enough, no errors generated. It returns none. Now you can, when you run pop, it will return a value of that key that you're getting rid of. I don't need it in this case, so I'm just returning none and going on with it. So hopefully you learned something there. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet to this channel. Smash that like button so more people can see this and I can help them. And I'll see you in the next video.